English Academy Plus podcast.
Your daily dose of simple English.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel.
Hi, friends. We are so happy you are here today.
Today, we have a very special topic.
Yes, today we are going to talk about something very important.
We are going to learn how to talk about your life goals in English.
Your life goals. That means the things you want to do in your life.
The things you dream about, the things you hope for.
And today, you will learn exactly how to talk about these things in English.
So, you have a big dream? Do you want something special in your future?
I think you do. And after this video, you will know how to say it in English.
So stay with us. This video will help you so much.
And before we start, if you are new here, please click subscribe.
Yes, subscribe to this channel. It is free, and every week we help you improve your English.
And if you enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up. It helps us so much.
Okay, are you ready?
Let's go.
Okay, Alice, let me ask you something.
Yes, David, ask me.
Do you have a life goal?
Oh, a life goal. Yes, of course. I have many life goals.
Many goals. Wow. Tell me, what is a life goal?
Good question. A life goal is something you really want to do or achieve in your life.
Achieve. That means to reach something, to get something after working hard.
Exactly. For example, my life goal is to travel to 20 countries.
Oh, that's a big goal.
It is, but I love to travel, so that is my dream.
Great. So Alice, how do we say this in English? How do we talk about our goals?
Okay, let me teach you some simple phrases. Are you ready, everyone?
Listen carefully. These phrases are very useful.
The first phrase is, my goal is to.
My goal is to. Very simple, very clear.
For example, my goal is to learn English.
My goal is to travel the world.
My goal is to start my own business.
Oh, I like that one. Start my own business. That means to open your own company.
Yes, so the phrase is, my goal is to. And then you say the thing you want to do.
Let's say it together. Ready?
My goal is to.
Now you try. Pause the video and say your goal. My goal is to.
I love that part. I hope everyone is practicing.
Me too. Okay, what is the next phrase?
The next phrase is, I want to.
I want to. Oh, this is very easy.
Yes, very easy. I want to is perfect for beginners.
For example, I want to speak English fluently.
I want to buy a house.
I want to get a better job.
These are all real-life goals, things that many people dream about.
Yes, and now you can say them in English.
Say it with me. I want to.
Come on, say it. I want to.
David, I think our viewers are a little shy.
Don't be shy. No one is watching you. Just say it.
Just practice. That's how you learn. Say it out loud.
I want to speak English fluently. Say it.
Great. Now let's keep going.
Okay, Alice, I have a question.
Yes?
Sometimes people say, I hope to. Is that the same?
Oh, great question. Yes, I hope to is very similar.
Similar means almost the same?
I hope to sounds a little more dreamy, like you really, really wish for something.
Oh, like a wish.
Yes. For example, I hope to meet my favorite singer one day.
Really? Who is your favorite singer?
That's a secret, but you understand the phrase, right?
Yes, I hope to means you really wish for something.
Another example, I hope to finish my studies soon.
I hope to make my family proud.
Oh, that one is beautiful.
Thank you. It's true. Many people have that goal, to make their family proud.
Yes, and now you can say it in English.
I hope to make my family proud. Say it slowly. I hope to make my family proud.
Beautiful. Let's remember these three phrases. Ready?
Ready.
Number 1, my goal is to.
Number 2.
I want to.
Number 3.
I hope to.
3 simple phrases, but they are so powerful.
Yes, with just these 3 phrases, you can talk about any goal.
Okay, now let's have a real conversation, like 2 friends talking.
Yes, this is my favorite part.
Okay, Alice, let's pretend we are meeting for coffee and we are talking about our goals.
I love coffee. Okay, let's start.
So, Alice, what are your goals for the future?
Oh, good question. Well, my goal is to travel to Japan next year.
Japan. Why Japan?
I love Japanese food. The sushi, the ramen, so delicious.
Of course, food is always a good reason.
It really is. What about you, David? What are your goals?
Well, I want to learn how to play the guitar.
The guitar, really?
Yes, I always wanted to play music, but I never had time before.
So now you will make time?
Yes, my goal is to play one song by the end of this year.
Only one song?
Hey, one song is a great start.
That's true. Every big journey starts with one small step.
Exactly. And I also hope to exercise more and get healthy.
Oh, yes, that is a very common goal. Many people want to be healthier.
Very common. That means many people have this goal. It is not just you.
So if your goal is to get healthy, you can say, my goal is to eat better and exercise more.
Simple and clear.
What about our viewers? What are your goals?
Yes, think about it. What do you want to do this year? What is your goal?
Pause the video, think for a moment, and then say your goal out loud.
Use one of our phrases. My goal is to, or I want to, or I hope to.
Go ahead, we will wait.
Okay, welcome back, everyone.
Did you say your goal? I hope you did.
Now, let's learn a few more phrases because sometimes we want to say more about our goals.
Yes, we want to explain why we have a goal or when we want to achieve it.
Good idea. So let's learn some more useful phrases.
The next phrase is, in the future, I plan to.
In the future, I plan to. Oh, I like this one.
Plan to means you are thinking about it seriously. You are preparing.
For example, in the future, I plan to open a small cafe.
Oh, a cafe. Can I come?
Of course. Free coffee for Alice.
Now that is a great goal. Okay, another example. In the future, I plan to move to a new city.
In the future, I plan to go back to school and study more.
Beautiful examples. So the phrase is, in the future, I plan to.
And remember, in the future means later, not now, but someday.
Someday. That's a lovely word. Someday.
Someday.
Okay, David, don't get too dreamy.
Sorry. Let's keep going.
Okay, the next phrase is very important. It is, one of my biggest dreams is to...
One of my biggest dreams is to...
Ooh, this sounds very serious. It is. This phrase is for your most important goals, your biggest dreams.
For example, one of my biggest dreams is to write a book.
One of my biggest dreams is to visit the pyramids in Egypt.
Oh, Egypt. That's amazing.
I know. I have always wanted to see the pyramids.
One of my biggest dreams is to give my parents a better life.
Oh, David, that is so beautiful.
Thank you. I think many people feel this way, especially people who work very hard for their families.
Yes, and now they can say it in English.
One of my biggest dreams is to give my parents a better life.
Say it slowly. One of my biggest dreams is to give my parents a better life.
Take your time. English is a journey, not a race.
That's right. Every day you practice, you get better, little by little.
Okay, now let's talk about time, because goals need time.
Yes. When do you want to achieve your goal?
We can use simple phrases for this.
For example, by the end of this year.
By the end of this year, I want to.
Or in 5 years.
In 5 years, I hope to.
Or someday, I plan to.
Someday, my favorite word again.
Yes, someday is a very hopeful word.
So let me give you a full example. Are you ready?
Ready.
By the end of this year, my goal is to finish an online English course.
Perfect. That sounds very natural.
Let me try another one. In 5 years, I hope to have my own apartment.
Ooh, great goal. Your own space, your own home.
Someday, I plan to travel across Europe by train.
Oh, that sounds so romantic.
Okay, let's keep it professional.
So remember, you can combine your goal with a time phrase.
By the end of this year, I want to.
In 5 years, I hope to.
Someday, I plan to.
These sentences sound very natural, very real, like a fluent English speaker.
Now, Alice, I want to ask you something. A real question.
Okay, ask me.
Sometimes people feel afraid of their goals. They think, my goal is too big. I can never do it.
Oh, yes, I understand this feeling.
What do you say to those people?
I say, start small. Every big goal starts with a small step.
A small step. I love that.
For example, if your goal is to speak English fluently,
Yes?
you don't need to speak perfectly today.
Right.
Just learn 5 new words today. Practice for 10 minutes. That's enough.
Small steps every day.
Yes, and in English, we have a beautiful phrase for this.
What is it?
Step by step.
Step by step. I love that.
Step by step, I am getting better.
Step by step, I am reaching my goal.
Say it with me. Step by step.
Step by step.
Keep going, keep practicing. You are doing great.
Okay, everyone, let's do a little practice now.
Yes, practice time. This is how you really learn.
I will ask you some questions, and you think of the answer.
Use the phrases we learned today.
Question 1. What is your goal for this year?
Think about it. Use the phrase. My goal is to.
For example, my goal is to read 1 English book this year.
Or, my goal is to find a better job.
Good. Now you try. Pause the video, say your answer. My goal for this year is to...
Go ahead, we'll wait.
Are they practicing?
I hope so.
Okay, question 2. What is one of your biggest dreams?
Use the phrase, one of my biggest dreams is to.
For example, one of my biggest dreams is to start my own business.
Or, one of my biggest dreams is to visit another country.
Your turn. Say it out loud. One of my biggest dreams is to...
Come on, don't be shy.
Remember, no one is judging you. Just practice.
And question 3, what do you hope to do in 5 years?
Use the phrase, in 5 years, I hope to...
For example, in 5 years, I hope to be fluent in English.
Oh, that's a great goal. And guess what? With this channel, you can do it.
Yes, you really can. If you practice every day, you will improve.
We believe in you.
So say it. In 5 years, I hope to.
Amazing. You were doing so well.
Let's quickly review all the phrases we learned today.
Ready? Here we go.
My goal is to.
I want to.
I hope to.
In the future, I plan to.
One of my biggest dreams is to.
By the end of this year,
In 5 years.
someday.
Step by step.
9 phrases. 9 very useful phrases.
And they are all simple, all natural, all perfect for real English conversations.
Say them, practice them, use them.
Every time you practice, your English gets stronger.
Yes, step by step. Before we finish, let me tell you something.
Yes, David?
Your goals matter. Whatever you want in life, it is worth talking about.
And now you can talk about it in English.
Whether your goal is to learn English, travel the world, help your family, or start a business,
You have the words to say it.
you have the phrases to express it.
And every time you speak, even with small mistakes, you are improving.
Mistakes are okay. We all make them,
Even David makes mistakes. Every single day.
and that is fine.
Learning is not about being perfect. It is about trying again and again.
Step by step, dream by dream, goal by goal.
You are on the right path.
Keep going. We are proud of you.
Okay, friends, now it is your turn.
We have a question for you, and we really want to know your answer.
Write in the comments below.
What is one of your life goals?
Tell us. Use the phrases from today.
My goal is to, or one of my biggest dreams is to.
We read every comment. We really do.
And we love seeing your goals. It makes us so happy.
So please write your goal below. Right now. Don't wait.
And if this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps our channel grow.
And subscribe if you haven't already. Every week, we help you improve your English.
For free. Always for free.
Because we believe everyone deserves to learn English.
Thank you so much for watching.
You are amazing. Keep practicing, keep dreaming.
And we will see you in the next video.
Bye-bye, everyone.
Take care.